Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to see about the major muscles origin, insertion, nerve supply and action. So we are going to see about the tensor fascia lata or the iliotibial band in this video. The tensor fascia lata is the lateral muscle of the hip. So it tends to origin from the anterior superior iliac spine. As you all know, this is the anterior superior iliac spine and this is going to the muscle. It comes down and tapers down as the IT band in this part. That is iliotibial band or Maissiat's tract. Maissiats tracts is also known as Maissiat's tracts. Okay. Now we will see this further deep into this muscle so that we can visualize it better. So the muscle starts from the anterior superior iliac spine and ends and tapers into another muscle called as iliotibial band. The blood supply will be provided by the superior gluteal artery, as you all know, which is a branch from the femoral artery, which is going to provide the blood supply to the gluteals and the iliotibial band, that is the ITB tract. Okay, then the innervation is going to be provided by the superior gluteal nerve, as you all know here, which is a branch from the lumbar plexus, which is from the lumbar plexus, as you all know. So this has a nerve root of L3, L4, L3, L4 and L5, I think. Yes, sorry, L4, L5 and S1 is going to be the nerve root of this nerve. Then we will see the action of this muscle. It's going to be the forward flexion of the hip, like kicking a ball without bending the knee, along with the vastus group of muscles and the adductor group of muscles and the iliac. Who will forget the iliac and your gluteus medius muscle? Okay. Then the action of this will also be the medial rotation of the hip joint. So gluteus muscle, and this will act as the rotator of the hip in the axis of the hip joint itself. Whereas this semitendonous hamstring group, adductor group will go for elongation, this will go for contraction, as you all see here. Okay, now we will move to the next action, that is going to be the hip abduction. So moving the hip away from the body. So it involves lengthening of this sartorius muscle and shortening of this IT band muscle. Okay. So this Maissiat tracts is a continuation of this tensor fascia lata, that is the TFL, as you all know, and is attached to the lateral condyle of this tibia. Okay, this is insertion of this tibia. So the nerve supply and the blood supply is also going to be the same here. Okay, this is the TFL, and all you need to know about this IT band. This becomes very tight when you stand for a long duration. Thank you.